Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a project share finally, and this is my outgoing binder mail to Nikki, and we were in a group swap hosted by Anna, who's Anna's Wonderland, and Memory Deck's Obsessed on Instagram, and we were paired with partners, and Nikki is my partner, and I'll be making this video live when she receives her binder, but I want to come on and share my take on it. So here you go. Here's the side. I did matte each piece, and I am using the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams collection. And yeah, I haven't used it in a while. I wanted to use a vintage collection because I need to use it up, right? So this is the side. I did put her name in some really pretty glittered thickers. I did put this little heart trim, and the back is fairly simple. I just did some stitching again, the matting of the gold glitter paper, and the front I wanted it to be the focal point, so I did use the same paper all around, and I used this little trim, this little floral trim that goes up and down. I did stitch everything again, matted on that glitter gold paper from Amazon. I love that paper. It makes everything super thick. I did use this really fine mesh, and I contemplated making it a shaker, but I always feel like the sequence always sits on the bottom, so I opted against it. I went more of a elegant, vintagey looking kind of vibe. I used this beautiful frame that I used with it's a Prima mold, and I love this frame so much. I did spray all around using this Dilutions white linen spray. It's my favorite spray, and I used an ephemera piece. I think it's from the Chasing Dreams collections. You Are What Dreams Are Made Of. I just backed it on it. I just love how this came out. I did a little small cluster of some Prima flowers. I had this applique, and I am trying to use my appliques more, but I am missing a little chipboard piece, and I found it. Here you go. So this was laying right here, and I only see the shadow of it, so I will have to glue that back on. And I wanted to use this applique so bad. I just love how romantic it is. I did use this bow that I got from Allie. I love this bow and everything, just kind of like my favorite thing. Again, the floral. I did a little leaf stitch, some zigzag, beautiful flowers, and then just the butterflies. And here's my binder, you guys. I'm just sending some goodies, nothing crazy, just some stuff I wanted to share. I did line each pocket, and then here's the binder. So in this first pocket, I just took some cellophane bag that I had. I need to use these up, so I thought this was a perfect way. And in here, and I hope this doesn't fall out, is the Memory Deck's card that we were to create. And isn't it beautiful? So again, I am using Chasing Dreams, and I wanted to use, I had a whole bunch of these ballerina die that I put together many moons ago, and I had a whole bunch of them. I was like, you know what, let me use it. I did some layering. You see that little chunkiness over here. I used a big floral piece, and then just started building up. Little ticket, explore, dream, and discover. This is the Tim Holtz stickers. I just backed it on some vellum. Here is a vellum rosette, and then I just added sequins. I added pretty sequins here and there. This shaker is actually, you can kind of see that pink and white circled, but then I also use this really pretty tool that I got from Michaels, and it has hollow dots on it, so kind of give it a little bit more of that really cute vibe. I love this memory decks. I love making memory decks. I think it's such a pretty, you know, thing that you can put together. And here's my little dangle. I just added a lot of fun charms, a pink butterfly, some little pearl bow that I got from Allie, and some wire wrap beads that I made. So that is that first pocket. I'm just going to put this in gently. Here is my second pocket. I don't even know what I put in here. Let me see. Oh, I added some embellishments. So here's a bag topper that I created. Really simple and pretty. This is a Lori Whitlock one. And then I added this tag that I made And this is using some crepe paper and a beautiful ephemera, some rosette that I did zigzag stitch, and this is a willow lane one. So this is kind of what I considered my greatest hits. I didn't have the luxury of making a whole bunch of new embellishments, so I kind of used up some of the stuff that I had in my stash, sharing along what I've been creating, because what's the point of hoarding them? In here, oh, I have some shaker library pockets that I've created. And again, you can see some of these videos in my playlist. These are lots of embellishments that I've created along the way. I'm just going to put this back in. Shaker library pockets. And I think I did do a tutorial on it if you are interested. I'm just going to slip this back in because I intend to go to the post office right after this. Here are some embellishments that I created. These are some phone embellishments, and this is using Sunny Days. This one is using the Mine Mind's Eye collection. I can't think of the name, but a beautiful little cluster that I made, a little page flaggy. And I did double back each paper. I didn't double back it. I folded a 12 by 12, cut the pieces, and then stitched around it. I added some really pretty pom-pom trim on the side. And then here are some, I'm just going to zoom in slightly. Here are some little felt flag embellishments that I had created. Again, super pretty. This is using the Carousel collection. So this book is what I consider a Maggie Holmes greatest hits. This is, again, some Willow Lane embellishments that I created. And here's a shaker pocket that I created. So I'm just going to take out the items in there. And this one I use actually round trip because I think I was just eager to use the page. So I put some rainbow embellishments that I created with my Cricut. I do have a tutorial for this on how I created this. And then I just added a tab up top so she can pull this out easily. And then I'm setting some heritage butterflies for her to use. I thought that came out super pretty. And then I'm adding a pack of some floral ephemera. So that is my binder. And then I wanted to create one extra thing, and I created a little, I don't know, picnic basket, I guess. This is using a SVG file from, I can't remember, but I'll leave that link down below as well. I'm using this embellishment that Janae had given me. I am trying to use up more of my stash because I hoard and I never use it, and I thought it was perfect for this little box. And in here I just have some goodies. I'm going to leave that for her to share, but I love how this little box came out. I thought it was a perfect way to send some goodies, and it's adorable. And that is it for my project share, you guys. I hope you found inspiration, and I can't wait to see her reaction to opening this box. I hope she appreciates it. Oh, loves my work. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.